Hi, I'm Poh, and I'm about to teach you how to make my Spanish-style chicken and chorizo rice in my Crockpot Express easy-release oval multi-cooker. Chorizo is a Spanish-style cured sausage. You can get a fresh version of it, but I like the dried ones because I feel they pack a little bit more punch. Next, we're going to do the sofrito. So the sofrito is pretty much the Spanish version of a mirepoix, and it's an aromatic base which consists of onion, celery, carrot, garlic, and we just want to chop that up all finely, and that lays the flavour foundation for the rice. Next, we're going to cut up all the vegetables. Dice this capsicum. Next, cabbage. Cabbage just has so much umami in it. It also adds really beautiful colour. I'm using chicken thighs because they're really flavourful, but they're also very forgiving. So if you overcook them, they stay incredibly succulent. So to start off, press saute and then start stop. I'm going to brown off that chorizo first so that some of that fat renders out, and then we can cook that sofrito in it, which is going to make it so delicious. You want to raise that heat gradually to render that fat out. Now the chorizo is nice and caramelised and some of that fat's rendered out beautifully. So in goes the chicken. The thing that I love about this oval shape is that you've got a larger surface area, so everything browns way quicker. Just one trick about browning meat, just spread it out and then leave it alone. The chicken is cooked through, so in goes the sofrito. And also hard herbs. So I've got some thyme, some sage, these are all from the garden, beautiful. The idea here is not to caramelise the sofrito, but to just cook it down and let it concentrate and sweeten. So I'm going to add my veggies and also my paprika. It's a riot of colour in here. After the vegetables, everything else goes in. So we've got peas, rice, tomato, stock, all the liquids, it doesn't matter what order you do that in. White wine and a pinch of saffron. Start, stop. Pop the lid on, make sure the steam release dial is on closed, and then we're going to set it on rice grains. Start, stop, and then walk away, my favourite bit. The walk away benefits of this machine are my all-time favourite thing about it. Stay well away from the vent. Oh, look at that goodness. I love the smell of that combination of the smoky paprika, the white wine. That's my Spanish-style chicken and chorizo rice, cooked in my Crockpot Express easy release oval multi-cooker.